Water is life, but water is also power. Across the world, women and girls carry the burden of water insecurity, yet too often they are excluded from water decision-making. Through the Rain School initiative, registered in the UN Water Action Agenda, communities build the knowledge to monitor, manage, and lead their own water system. Women become decision makers. Young people become water stewards. Communities become resilient. Education transforms vulnerability into leadership. Water security is not only about infrastructure, it is about inclusion, it is about equity, it is about shared leadership. This World Water Day, let women lead water.